Hello, Monroe. Good morning, good evening. I will just write down your channel, then I will visit after my live in North Carolina. I'm not yet done with my previous visitor last night because my Wi-Fi connection was lost. Hello, from Greensboro, North Carolina. Hello. What brand? No, it's a Filipino. I think there's no Nescafe in your place. A plain Nescafe. No sugar. I don't like to drink coffee with sugar. Oh, magandang umaga, mainit at maulan. Thank you sa tamsak. Kumakain ako ng banana Q, Monroe. You know, banana Q? Have you tasted this one? Banana Q. Banana Q. Wala, malaglag ka. DP, there's no brand. Just Nescafe. A Filipino product. Oh, I do it. This is so good. Yeah. Very tasty. This is my breakfast. Have a good day and I wish you a good day. Thank you, DP. I will end also. Take care. Same to you. Same to you. Same. Thank you so much for your time. My wifey fixed that for me yesterday. Oh. How's your wife? I think your wife is pregnant, right? Monroe? Thank you so much, DP. I really appreciate your presence on my live. See you next time on my live. Oo, she's definitely 100% done life in North Carolina. Thank you, Mai. Ilatag mo yung tawag nun, yung link ng min mo. Ano hindi ko man kasi maka... Oh, she is mabuti daw. She is mabuti. Tagalog. Very good. Very good si Monroe. Very good. He is trying to speak Tagalog. What time in your place now? Hoy, North Carolina. Thanks, Mahal. I will return that favor back. But it's not the main channel of my. The main channel of mine is my kasambahay. Estika. Ano ko ba to? Oh, 9 p.m. What time did you sleep?